The Mazda CX-80 is the newest addition to the large 7-seat SUV segment, aiming to compete with the dominant German luxury brands. It comes equipped with a range of advanced technology features and offers an optional powerful 6-cylinder diesel engine. In terms of dimensions, the Mazda CX-80 measures 4,995mm in length, 1,890mm in width, 1,710mm in height, and features a wheelbase of 3,120mm. In terms of design, the Mazda CX-80 resembles stretched version of the CX-60, featuring a more upright rear end that necessitates a distinct window line and thicker trim. The latest iteration of Mazda's Kodo design language, first introduced on the CX-60, is carried over here, giving the CX-80 a nearly identical front face to its smaller counterpart. Key design elements include a large front grille with prominent chrome surround, seamlessly blending into a squarish headlamps that feature integrated L-shaped daytime running lights. Below, there are functional-looking air curtains with black trim along with a wide lower intake. At the rear, the tail lights adopt an L-shaped design, echoing the headlamps and the styling of the CX-60. One notable difference is the absence of an exhaust pipe garnish, as the exhaust is concealed behind a bumper for a cleaner, more elegant appearance. The Mazda CX-80's dashboard design is nearly identical to that of the CX-60. Notable features include a digital instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, an active driving display HUD, and 2-zone climate control with vents for all 3 rows. It also offers a wireless charging pad, USB-C ports, ambient lighting, Mazda Connect with wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Alexa voice control, along with My Mazda telematics. Depending on the trim level and selected options, the CX-80 can be equipped with rear door sunshades, a powered panoramic sunroof, and a 12-speaker Bose sound system. The Mazda CX-80 offers a load capacity of 258 liters third-row seat sub, including underfloor storage. When the third-row seats are folded flat, this expands to 687 liters. Folding down both the second and third rows increases the capacity to 1,221 liters, and with both rows fully folded, the total load space reaches 1,971 liters up to the ceiling. The 2025 Mazda CX-80 offers a range of engine options, beginning with the 3.3-liter Skyactiv-D turbo diesel inline-6, delivering 254 PS and 550 Nm of torque. It also features Mazda's 48-volt mild hybrid boost system, which enhances fuel efficiency. Power is transmitted through an 8-speed automatic transmission. The next engine option is the 2.5-liter e-Skyactiv plug-in hybrid 4-cylinder. While it lacks a turbocharger and 2 cylinders compared to the diesel version, the gasoline PHEV delivers a combined 327 PS and 500 Nm of torque. It is equipped with a 17.8 kWh battery pack, providing an electric range of approximately 60 km. Like the Skyactiv-D, the PHEV is also paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Both powertrains are equipped with the MI drive system, providing drivers with up to 5 driving modes: normal, sport, off-road, towing, and EV for the PHEV. The CX-80 also features kinematic posture control, front double wishbones, and a rear multi-link suspension. Additionally, it offers a towing capacity of up to 2,500 kg.